Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Meet extensions and remove permissions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Meet extensions, start by opening your web browser. Once your browser is open, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover over the More Tools option. Next, select Extensions from the submenu that appears. You will now see a list of all your installed extensions. Look for the Google Meet extension you wish to uninstall. Once found, click on the Remove button next to the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Remove again to uninstall the extension. After that, close the Extensions tab. Now, let's remove permissions granted to the extension. Go back to the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Click on Site Settings to access website permissions. Find the section labeled Permissions to review the list. Look for the permissions related to Google Meet. Click on any permissions you want to remove. Choose Clear and Reset to disable those permissions. Once you've removed the permissions, close the Settings tab. You have successfully uninstalled the Google Meet extension and removed its permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.